Welcome back to Origami videos. Let's make these Origami Heart bookmarks together. This one is folded from 15 by 7.5 cm and this smaller one is folded by 10 by 5 cm paper. So let's start by folding it together. I will use 15 by 7.5 cm, which is half of the paper that is 15 by 15 centimeters. So let's start by folding it. We'll fold it in half. So we'll fold it in half on the shorter line, align the corners of the paper and press it down. Next we will open it and we'll fold the side corners of the paper to this center line, so we will align this upper line with the center line. So bring it on one side in, press it down, and the same on the other side. Like this. Now we'll flip our paper over and we'll fold this corner of the paper down to this side line, so we'll align this upper line with this side line. So just align it, take your time with it. Once you have it, press it down. And now we'll open it and we'll fold this corner of the paper down to this crease that we just made. So we'll fold this part of the paper in half. So you can help yourself with this crease that we have and also with the center that it's folded from the diagonal line. So just press it down like this. And next step, we'll open this part of the paper. This will help us later, and we'll bring the sides of the paper into the center line. So bring one side of the paper in, press it down once it's aligned with the center line. Now I will rotate my paper so that I don't have shadows coming, and I will fold this bottom line of paper again to the center line in, press it down, and now I will fold this bottom part of paper again in half. So fold it again to the center line like this. And now I will rotate it, but I will fold this line of the paper down to the center line. So just open it, fold it to the center line. Like this. Now I will unfold these last two steps, so the one that we fold it again to the center line on one side and on the other side. And as you can see, we have a crease on this line right here. So we'll fold our paper on this line but tuck it backwards like this. And now we'll fold the corners in to the middle line on this side. So you see the middle line right here, and tuck this corner inwards. So I place my fingernail here where the point stops, bring it in and align it with the middle line. And once I have it, I press it down really firmly. And the same on the left side. So this line right here to this point, and fold the triangle in and align it with the middle line of this half. And press it down really firmly. Now here comes the trickiest part of folding this Origami Heart bookmark. So we'll open it, and I will open it on one side like this, and as you can see we have a square right here, and this square needs to be folded inwards. So pinch your fingers right here in and press the middle of the square inwards like this, so that it goes on the lines close it in together like this. Again on the other side, open it. We have the lines of this square. Pinch the sides inwards and press the middle of the paper inwards so that it collapses together. As I said, this is really the trickiest part of it. And just take your time with it. And close it in together on one side and bring this part of it backwards like this. Now we'll fold these two parts of the paper inwards, so from this corner right here, fold it on a diagonal line. And again align it with the middle line of the paper, so this center line on the half and on the other side. Like this. But now we'll open them and we will reverse fold them inwards. So open one corner and bring the sides in. Again on this side, so where we have flap, open it, push it in like this. And again turn it around. And we'll fold these sides of the paper inwards on already existing lines. So on one side and on the other side like this. And if you want, you can also right here fold these points of the paper a little bit downwards. Or you can even skip this part. Now we'll turn our paper bookmark over and we'll flip this part of the paper over on this line like this. Now we'll fold the corners of the paper inwards so that we will align this upper line with the center line. So on one side to the center line, press it down, and on the other side and press it down. And now we just flip this part over and we've made our origami heart-shaped bookmark together. So now just grab your book and you can just slide it inwards like this, or you can bring it behind the page of the paper like this and just close it. I hope you enjoyed this video and see you in the next one.